In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove password from an Excel workbook. If you have an Excel file that currently asks for a password every time you open it, and you no longer want that protection enabled, this process is very simple. Just make sure you already have access to the workbook and know the current password, because you'll need to open the file first before you can remove it. Start by opening your Excel workbook. Go ahead and open the specific file where you want to remove the password. Once the workbook is open and you can view the spreadsheet normally, you're ready to update its security settings. Next, click the File tab. This will take you out of the worksheet view and into Excel's File menu, where you can manage settings related to the workbook itself. From the left-hand panel, select Info. This section shows important details about the file, including permissions, protection settings, and other workbook level options. If the workbook is currently password protected, this is where you'll find the setting you need. Now click Protect Workbook. A menu will appear with different protection options for the file. These options can control things like structure, editing restrictions, and password-based encryption, so it's important to choose the correct one. From that menu, select Encrypt with Password. This opens the password dialog box that contains the current password setting for the workbook. At this point, delete the existing password so the password field is completely blank. This is the key step. Leaving the box empty tells Excel that you no longer want the workbook to require a password when it opens. After clearing the password field, click OK to confirm the change. Excel will accept the blank password field and remove the encryption setting from the workbook. Once you've done that, save the workbook. This part is essential because the password will not actually be removed from the file unless you save your changes. You can use the regular save option or save as if you want to keep a separate version, but the important thing is to make sure the updated file is saved. The next time the workbook is opened, it will no longer ask for a password. That means anyone with access to the file will be able to open it directly, so only remove the password if you're comfortable with that level of access. And that's it. That's how to remove a password from an Excel workbook quickly and safely.